also went ahead and we ordered a couple more things. We ordered our taillights, which we just got off Amazon on online LED store, which is all these. They're all LEDs, reverse lights, hazard lights, and then we also got new clearance lights so that we can replace all of those. These ones are also LED. We're going to try to replace those, and then we're also going to finish part of the strapping today. We can't finish the center towards the front because we have to order another max fan, so there's really no point in us trying to do the centerpiece when we're going to put a max fan up there right now. So we're just going to wait on that part, but we're at least going to try and get the most of the sides, and then hopefully those guys replaced today. We'll see. Hopefully everything works out, goes well. It's been a couple days. It's actually been a couple weeks.
More like 2 months.
It's been a couple months. Alright, so here's side one. We took out the lights and then we took off some of the decal. We're gonna have to cut these holes bigger because the LEDs that we have are a little bit bigger than these. So we're gonna have to cut those holes to be about a 4.5 inch. And then here is the other side that Morgan is trying to take out right now. As you can see, there is the reflectors, you have your lights. So that's kind of where we're at right now. We're just trying to take these guys out first. So, I don't know what this tool is called. A spiral saw, I guess, by RotoZip. This is what I'm going to be using. So, our problem is that those holes for the taillights are like 3 inches, 3.5 inches, I don't remember exactly. But they're too small for the ones that we bought. We have to make a 4.5 inch hole. Sorry, these are really dirty. I'm going to try using this to make the holes a little bit bigger. Normally you could just use, again, I don't remember what they're called. I'll put them in the link because maybe some of you guys might be able to use it on your bus, but in our instance, we have to use this. So I have this little tiny bit right here that I ended up buying. I think it was like $7. My dad said that it could be something that we could try, so I bought this and then something else to try and see if we could use it, but we're gonna see. We're making this into a 4.5 inch hole, so we'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Fuck. I'm scared. Maybe.
Do you know where you need to cut to?
These right there. I'm just low key, like scared.
Nope.
Right, boy. We got LEDs.
I gotta do the other ones. Because I think those are 4.5 up top.
I would hope so.
So if you don't want to cover those and you just want to buy the lights again, we can just buy more lights.
Let's
And
just get
whatever.
one of those like LEDs that are like smiley faces. So we'll just put.
It'd be super cute.
It's a good idea.
Or we can find one that's like a little daisy or something. That'd be cute. Yeah.
Or like a little Zelda heart or something.
I feel like you're just avoiding now doing the other side.
I'm not. It's just no. These big ones are fine. It's just the small one freaking sucks because you have to take out so much. Push the side of these cords.
The smell of sawing metal is gonna be up there on my do not like smells list after this.
Yeah. We'll make a video of the things that we don't like that we've done so far.
Ripping up floors, sanding floors, big holes.
Grinding metal.
You don't like caulking.
Caulking. Taking out the windows and then putting in the windows. And
So
taking
everything
out
we've
the
done so
windows.
far.
Putting in the skylight. Actually, that was fun.
So what have you liked so far?
Nothing.
Oh, that's terrible.
Alright, hey guys, Devin from the future. So, yes, short hair, all the works. Anyways, I just realized I'm over here editing this video right here where I'm talking about these taillights, and I just realized that I didn't even actually do an outro for this video, but anyways, so these are in. And something that I didn't show in the video is there's like a couple screw holes right here for the lights that were there. These I just used Bondo to cover. So these are actually in now. They're all nice set. They're pretty solid. I think what we're gonna have to do is There is a little bit of a gap. They're kind of loose in here, so I might have to use some sealant on the inside to help keep them in. But I just wanted to give an update on like what like I didn't show the end product of it basically. So and like I said, I'm editing this video right now, so this is way in the future. As you can see, everything's nice and green. Either way, those are in there. I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for watching our videos. I really do appreciate it. If you do know somebody that is working on a bus, maybe you can show them our videos. Maybe they might need some help, whatever. Guys can check out all of our socials. We do have a link tree in the description that does have like our Instagram. It has our Patreon on there. Dude, this is like has our Patreon on there, and it also has like a couple lists that we have that have like some things on there for the bus. So if you guys want to try and help support us a little bit, you guys can go check that stuff out. But either way, again, thank you guys so much. We really appreciate it. Make sure that you guys subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you hit the like button on our videos, all the works. So thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys in the next video.